If I want a simple way to write the negation of a conditional statement, I can simply check out, see that this is true, and then remember that the negation of if P then Q is equivalent to a specific conjunction. In fact, it's equivalent to if P and not Q. So if I'm ever trying to negate a conditional, I want to say it is not true that if P then Q, I can say P and not Q. Now, if you'd like to do the truth table to check that out, of course I invite you to. You'll see that, yep, those two are the same thing. But I want to just practice using this. So the negation of if P then Q is P and not Q. So I want to negate if it is raining, then it is cloudy. So the negation of that is going to be, well, this is if P then Q. So the negation is going to be P and not Q. So it is raining and it is not cloudy. Okay. These two statements are negations of each other. If it is raining, then it is cloudy, and it is raining and it is not cloudy. They have the opposite truth values. All right, look at this one. If it is a toaster, then it is made of gold. So then this is an if P then Q, so the negation should be P, it is a toaster, and the negation of Q. See, it is made of gold, so it is not made of gold. Okay, nice and easy, right? If P then Q, negation, P and not Q. Okay, here's another one. If wishes were horses, then beggars would ride. So start out with the first statement. Wishes are horses. And beggars do not ride. It was pointed out to me by one of my students that beggars really implies all beggars. So to be technically correct, maybe this should be some beggars do not ride. So the negation of if wishes were horses, then beggars would ride is wishes are horses and some beggars do not ride. Okay? If it is blue, then it is not spinach. Negation. It is blue and it is spinach. Gotta spell spinach. Not that you can tell with my handwriting anyway. But if it is blue, then it is not spinach. Spinach, negation, it is blue and it is spinach. Okay, one more. If Q, then not P. So recall, to negate this, leave the first part alone, change this to an and negate the second part. The negation of not P is going to be P. So the negation of if Q, then not P is Q and